Hello everyone, good morning. So in this video guys, I'm just going to share you what product do I use every time my kids are coughing. But disclaimer guys, this is not a sponsored video or I'm not a medical expert. So a piece of advice to all mommy, if ever you use this product and you're not sure about it, you might want to talk to your pediatrician because kids are different from one another. It might work really good for my kids but not to some of the kids. So what are these products? Here it is guys. Maybe I'll do like that. Here it is guys. Wellements Organic Children's Cough and Mucus Syrup. I like this because it's organic, and for the taste, my kids just really love the taste. I don't have to do something for them to take it. They just want it. And they even said more. So it is a child-friendly taste. It said honey and immune boosting elderberry to help clear mucus while your child is coughing. And this is free from dyes, parabens, alcohol, and unnecessary preservatives. And we can give this to the kids which is 1 year old up. For 1 to 3 years old kids, we can give 1 teaspoon, 5 ml. 4 years old and up, we can give 2 teaspoon, which is 10 ml. It said here, Wellmans, we are parents too. That's why we created safe, high-quality products that are consistent with our belief that ingredients really do matter. The best part is we are using organic ingredients whenever possible and leave out all of the unnecessary preservatives, dyes, chemicals, and additives. You can rest easy knowing we've done the worrying for you because we know good products don't need bad ingredients. That is why I like this. And it's easy to find guys. All you do is go to your local grocery store, or if you love online shopping, I checked this already. You can buy this in Amazon, and it has a good review too in Amazon. So just check it around. And also, you don't have to worry as to how much you can give to your kids because it has instruction here. May be given every 4 hours up to 6 times in a 24-hour period or as directed by physician. So it also said here, Wellmans Organic Children's and Cough and Mucus Syrup is carefully crafted with honey, wild cherry bark, and slippery elm to soothe dry throat and help clear mucus while your child is coughing. We've also added immune boosting elderberry and zinc for the perfect feel good formula. And they have a very big no here. No. No gluten, dairy or soy, dyes, paraben or alcohol, artificial colors or flavors. So that's one of the reasons why I like it. And there are two kinds of these guys. This one is you can use this in the daytime, and the other one is for the nighttime, which I don't have the nighttime. What? Which I don't have the nighttime, yeah. I don't buy it. It said here, when using in combination with organic nighttime formula, mucus and syrup did not exceed to a total 6 combination within serving within 24 hours. So that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any comment or suggestion or anything, question, Just comment it down below. And please subscribe if you don't do yet. Thank you so much. Bye.